Thank you all for braving the storm. Thank you very much. I don't know if it's coming back or if it's done for the day, but thank you, grazie, thank you. It's a true privilege to be in such a beautiful place. I've never played in such a beautiful place. It's incredible. Like a soldier alone standing under fire, any change comes as a relief. Let the giver's name remain unspoken. She is just a generous thief. She wore diamonds on the inside, wore diamonds on the inside, wore diamonds, wore diamonds. She wore diamonds on the inside.